An enduring corporate brand dominates the Kingston coastal skyline. New housing solutions emerge in one of Jamaica's largest population centers, all tangible outcomes of Jamaican and Chinese collaboration and ingenuity, achieved by Sinofarm Pan-Caribbean. We are Sinofarm, a key state-owned enterprise operating in over 130 countries with sales revenues of $58 billion in 2018. With year-on-year growth of 13.23%, we are the only Chinese health company on the Fortune Global 500. Globally, we actively participate in overseas investments and carry out collaboration of medical aid and professional training of target countries. The new head office of the Grace Kennedy Group, described as the most beautiful building in downtown Kingston, is the jewel in the crown of Sinofarm Pan-Caribbean's overseas engineering and construction projects so far. There was an 80% involvement of Jamaican labor in this important project for Grace Kennedy, an iconic Jamaican and Caribbean brand that has been a part of the commercial and civic life of downtown Kingston since 1922. This new building stands as an example of our mission to deliver superior value and improved quality of life for people in the Latin American and Caribbean region.
As the building was going up, we received so much love and so much support from Jamaicans at home and abroad. The Sinofarm team from China who presented the best proposal. I want to thank you for your partnership, Peter and Simon.
The community now sees this as their building. Eloquently said, can you imagine I had a part in building the Grace Kennedy? The community has benefited from the private decisions of the shareholders and directors of Grace Kennedy.
From our core business in the global healthcare industry, we offer diversified services and assistance through our International Cooperation Department to countries around the world. Our team includes engineers and professionals who specialize in medicine, as well as local expertise in public relations, to support our operations in Jamaica and to advance our corporate social responsibility goals. For over 3 decades, Sinofarm has pivoted its global business operations on 2 closed loops. First, the pharmaceutical closed loop, spearheaded by overseas medical projects, covering project investment, engineering construction, equipment and raw material supply, pharmaceutical factory operation, and medicine distribution, among other areas. Second, the medical closed loop, led by overseas health projects encompassing project design, construction, equipment installation and maintenance, training, hospital management, and medical logistics. Sinofarm Pan-Caribbean's remarkable presence in Jamaica and the Caribbean is in alignment with its vision of all for health, health for all, underpinned by core values of responsibility, continuous innovation, and sharing, with a goal of building enduring legacies for 1,000 years.